We've learned a judge has denied a motion to dismiss charges against the Pender County Clerk of Court. Elizabeth Craver filed the motion last month. A hearing was virtually held on Wednesday. A Giglio motion she filed was also discussed. Craver has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of felony obtaining property by false pretenses and willful failure to discharge duties. Craver's jury trial is still set to take place February 23rd in Burgaw.